Hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. I actually have a mail call to do. It is a package from MK Bars. This, I already know what it is. This is my Lake House Beach Round. Now we need to see if we got the one we were hoping to get. Put in a request for 13. And even LHB put in a request for 13. We both were trying to jump on 13, but to make sure that I got it, but I don't know if I did because I never got a confirmation on the 13 or not. So we're gonna see which number we got. Hopefully we got 13. Here we go. I'm putting my hand in the package. There it is. I can feel that. Here is MK Bars. I'm not turning that over because I know it'll say on the other side. There's MK Bars card. There's MK Bars sticker. Right there. There's the invoice, I'm sure. Let me see if I can feel anything else in here. I don't. So here it is. Alright, I'm not even going to take it out of my hand yet. How do you like my little coasters? I have to have a little sip here because I'm nervous. And here it is. Son of a gun. 14. We got number 14. And I didn't mean to slam it down like that. I'm still pleased with it. It's only one off of 13. But I was hoping for that lucky 13. So, and I do apologize for slamming it. It's still a beautiful piece. I think I wouldn't have slammed it if it would have been 16, 18, 20 or something like that. But the fact that it is just one off. Oh well. We tried. I don't know who got number 13. We were trying to find out who got what out there. If you happen to have gotten 13 and it's nothing special to you, I would be happy to trade you number 14 for it with a little kicker, and I'll pay the shipping. So anyhow, there it is. It is still a beautiful piece. Let me get this adjusted. Yeah, I probably wouldn't, like I said, I probably wouldn't have bashed it if it if it would have been a higher, further away. But one away kind of got me for a second. But anyhow, it is still, like I said, a beautiful piece. I will still treasure it. It's not going anywhere because it's from my little brother. But, as I said, if whoever out there has gotten number 13 and it's nothing special to you, if you don't care about that number, I will be happy to trade you my 14 with some boot and cover the shipping. Both ways. So, all my contact information is in this video. Drop me an email if you've got the 13 and don't want it. Or not that you don't want it, but that it's not a special number. Anyway, Lake House, it's still a beautiful piece. And I apologize again for but the 14 just kind of just dug me. Alrighty guys. will get back to you in the next video. Have a good one, everybody.